In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a live sales notification to your WooCommerce store. The kind that shows real buyer names, real product, and actually increased sales. I know a store that boosted revenue by 10% just from this one thing. Let's build it right now. This is what we are building. A floating notification showing real recent buyers, pulling live data directly from your WooCommerce store and WooCommerce orders, no fake data. Let's go. Before we start, you might be thinking, I don't have enough sales for this. Here is my answer. If you have 0 orders, skip this video. But if you have even 3 or 4 orders a month, this works for you. You just need to adjust the copy slightly, and I will show you exactly how. Second question you might have is, does this actually work? I know a store that showed recent sales with a single article button inside the notification, and sales went up 10%. Why? I think because when people see others buying, they get curious. Even if they don't buy immediately, they click. That's real psychology, not a trick. And one important thing is real data only. Some plugin fake this. I have done a whole video on why that's dangerous for your site. Notifal only pulls from your actual orders. Install Notifal from the WordPress plugin directory. It's free. Search Notifal, install and activate it. Then go to the on-page notifications in your WordPress menu. Then click pre-created notifications. Filter by use case, build, trust, and social proof. You will see several ready-made templates. Pick one that fits your style. If you're using Elementor, you can grab an Elementor template, and I'm going to use this one built with Notifal HTML builder, and lightweight and fast. Click on view details on import and then hit import. Okay, a new notification appears in your list with a draft status. Click on edit icon. First go to the template tab and click on edit the selected template now. This is where you customize the copy based on your situation. If you are just starting out with a low order volume, keep it simple. Text can be like order meta billing first name, order meta billing last name. This will be replaced with the real data. About product name recently. If you have more than 10 orders a month, add social proof with numbers. For example, like this: order meta billing first name, order meta billing last name, and product total sales order about product name recently. This will be replaced something like Sora and plus 10 others about this product, something like this. Total sales will be replaced with other buyers of the product. Add a recently at the end of sentence. This is important because you have low order and you shouldn't show the time of the order. Okay, if you want to add a stock urgency, this is powerful. Something like order meta billing first name, product meta total sales order about this, and only product meta stock left. The right version depends on your store. How many orders you have, how many product, and your stock level. Pick what makes sense for you. Save the template and go back to the notification editor. Okay, here in the general tab, turn on the enable notification. Add a label. I'm using sales notification. This is just for you as admin, helps you stay organized later. Leave everything else as default for now. Okay, go to the display rules. This control where notification appears. I want it everywhere except the checkout page. You don't want to distract someone mid-purchase. Click add your first rule, target type pages visibility, all item except, and here you should search and select checkout. Hit save rules. That's it. Shows everywhere hidden on checkout. Now content source. This tells Notifal which orders to pull from. This section matters if you're just starting out. Go to order restriction, add filter, order status, select both completed and processing. That's enough. If you get good volume monthly, add a second filter, date range. Set it to the last 30 days. Now it only shows recent order, which feels more alive. If you want to show a specific product only, add another filter, orders with products. Search and select your product. If you want to show only products with the low stock, remove the product filter from the order restriction box and go to the product restriction. Add filter and select custom meta. Type the meta like this, stock lower than 10. Now it's only pulls order where the product currently has under 10 items in stock. Scarcity plus social proof in one notification. One pro tip. If you have Notifal Pro, turn on smart targeting. When a customer is on AirPod, for example, AirPod Pro page on your store, they only see order from AirPod Pro, not random product from your store. Maximum relevance. Now go to the appearance. Device visibility default is fine and show on all device. Display type set to the floating side box. This is the best format for sales notification and stay visible without interrupting. About the position, I'm keeping default, adjust if you want. And about the animation, keep default or pick something subtle. About the audio, if you want to sound when when the notification appears, enable this. There are built-in sound and or upload your own. I'm leaving it off. Okay, let's go to the timing setting. If get this wrong, you will annoy visitor. So this is very important. Get it right and it feels natural. About the show timing, set it to after delay and 5 seconds is okay. Give the visitor a moment to land before showing anything. Display duration, let's set it to auto hide plus manual close. Visitor can close it or it disappear on its own. Persistent duration, I think 12 seconds is okay. Enough to read it and not long enough to be annoying. Okay, about the frequency control settings, I think show frequency should be on per session and max shows per session set it to 4. More than this, it start feeling pushy and I think it's not good. Clear session on logout off. Respect user dismissal should be on. If they close it, don't show it again. Respect the user. Okay, LRA trigger should be on. This is important for sales notification. After it auto hide, it comes back with fresh data. Retrigger delay, I think 20 second is okay. Max retriggering per page, I think 3 is okay, and you can adjust anything here if you want. Require user consent, I think it should be off. Pause tab inactive on. Resume tab active on. These two together mean the notification only counts time when the visitor is actually looking at your page. Okay, go to the next settings, behavior. Here we have some setting related to user behavior. I think only keep the sweep to dismiss on. This is very important here. Mobile user can sweep it away naturally. Great UX for mobile user. With sweeping, they can hide the notification. And here, close an action button should be on. If someone clicks add to cart, the notification close automatically. And close delay after action 3 seconds. When they click on the button, the notification hides after 3 seconds. Gives a moment before it disappears. Okay, maintenance state on refresh should be on here. And here it is, live on the front end. Real buyer name, real product, real data from your WooCommerce orders. Updating automatically, no manual work ever again. If you're not sure which settings work best for your specific store, number of products, order volume, and stock situation, drop a support ticket at notifal.com/support and my team will review your site and set it up for you for free. Link in the description. See you in the next video.